Hi, I'm Dr. Nima. I'm a facial plastic surgeon, and today I'm going to talk about 5 things that I use for my physical health. And I've made videos of this before. I think it's really important, especially as we get older, to stay in shape, and here's some of the things that I do. Number 1, I do weight training at least 3 times a week. I'm lucky enough to have a personal trainer, but there are also apps that you can use so that you stay on target and are given a program so that you can build muscle in a organized fashion, and that way you can stay healthy. The building of muscle is also important for strengthening of the bone, so the more muscle mass you have, the stronger your bones will be, but you don't want to go overboard either. Number 2, I take a lot of supplements. In the morning, it's usually like fish oil, some calcium. I take some vitamin B12 with folate. I take a multivitamin. I take creatine. Creatine is excellent not just for muscle mass, but also for brains. It helps kind of improve the quality of the way that you think and the way that your brain ages. So those are some of the supplements I take, and I'll be happy to do a video on all the supplements that I take. Number 3, I do intermittent fasting. I don't do this every day, but in general during the week, I tend to skip dinner. I want to give my body at least 12 hours without having food in it, and what that does is it kind of eats away at some of the cells which just suck up energy, and it's a great way for your body to clean up kind of what are called senescent cells. So those are cells that are just hanging around, sucking up energy, not really contributing to the overall well-being of your body. And intermittent fasting is a great way also to help you fall asleep. So before you fall asleep, you don't really want to eat anything for at least 2 to 3 hours so that your body is fully digested and you are not staying awake to digest that food. So intermittent fasting, and for me, I skip dinner. Some people skip breakfast. It's up to you and what works in your schedule. Number 4, I really do like to do yoga. Flexibility is a big issue as we get older, and with yoga, it's a great way to keep your muscles flexible, keep your joints flexible, and my job is really physical, so doing yoga is helpful in not only keeping me flexible, but also helping me clear my mind. I personally use the Apple Fitness app. There are yoga sessions that can be anywhere from 10 minutes to a full hour, so whatever time you have, and I find that it gives me a lot of energy, especially first thing in the morning after I meditate. I'll do a little bit of yoga. And number 5, I do get regular massages, probably about every couple of weeks, and what that's for is that as we build up muscle with working out, as well as I'm in surgery, I do a lot of kind of shoulder shrugging, and sometimes my surgeries can be very long. So the massages are meant to work out all the lactic acid that can build up there, so it reduces the scar tissue which can form in your muscles, and again helps keep you flexible. So those are 5 things that I do for my physical health, and I'd love to hear your comments below.